for the last about 3 years, I've been looking for jobs, getting interviews, and then being told that I'm second best.
Everywhere that I've applied requires several years of experience. I am currently unemployed. I don't believe I've ever had a properly employed job.
I get excited about possibly landing jobs, and then they don't get back to you, and that's the most disheartening thing. No one is going to get a job if they don't get feedback. You can't learn from mistakes if you don't know what your mistakes were.
I try to find full-time work, but it's a bit difficult because I don't have my license, and I didn't have anyone else that I knew that drove or had their full license to help teach me. So there's a couple of times there where I've gone to catch a bus and just hasn't shown up. I could be 10 minutes early. Sitting there waiting and still won't show up. Yeah, nobody wanted to hire me because I couldn't get to work. If you can't get to work, then you don't much use.
I managed to get a domestic cleaning job after about maybe 7 or 8 months. So at the beginning I was fairly slow, but I really, really did sort of try my heart out to get up to speed. And then I got a text one night, which was basically, I think you should quit. I think with the right training, particularly to know how to speed up and just had more support, I think it would have worked out better.
Managers just didn't have the respect for their workers. They didn't really understand. I've got Graves' disease where that requires an appointment every 3 months. I've also got like FMF and stuff like that where it also requires catching up with doctors and stuff like that. And like they just did not get it. Like I had to have those appointments. I felt so targeted for, taking those days off. They weren't very understanding that people go through so much.
The advice that I would give to an employer if they wanted to improve the workplace for young people would be just listen.
Ask what can I do to support you.
The managers should understand emotions and mental health.
People have lots of things going on behind the scenes that you might not be able to tell. And if you just ask, then you might be able to find ways to work around them.
There is obviously a majority of young people who are willing to work, put in the effort, wanting to learn. Just give them a chance.